here we have some plumbagos which we've taken out of the climbers tunnel, and obviously they're looking a bit worse for wear. Plumbagos are known for their blue or white phlox-like flowers, and they're sometimes commonly known as the sky flower, and are quite often grown in conservatories, and they grow really tall. In the winter and in the spring you can cut them, in the winter particularly, you can cut them right back, but we're going to do a hard prune on these now because we're not happy with this growth at all. Cutting them back improves their vigour, and it will encourage lots more new growth on which are the flowers. So you want to take, in this situation or with any situation, you want to look for an outward facing bud and then just cut above it slightly. And again here you can see that's an active bud there. You want to cut that back. And I'm going to go for this one here. There we are. And what I might do is just take that off as well, because I don't really like the look of that. So although that looks a bit brutal, it will encourage it to really sprout from the base once more. And here we have some plants that were cut back, and you can see just how quickly they've grown on. They were cut back probably about 2 months ago to 6 weeks ago. And with these, what I'd like to do is just cut these straggly leaders off. Because what that will do, it'll encourage branching, and then on more of the new branches you'll get more flower heads. So, and you'll make a nice compact plant, because left to its own devices the plumbago can grow in quite a scruffy and straggly habit. And there we are.